Okay, let's discuss about the image optimization. And Next.js is very much powerful in a sense that I will show you the proof why Next.js is powerful for especially image optimization in terms of React. So React will provide you nothing. Okay, they just provide the image tag, nothing else. But Next.js, you will provide just image tag, and they will add a lot of things like lazy load, width, height, a lot of things. But React.js will provide bare minimum. They will not optimize the image, but Next.js will automatically make your image responsive, and it reduce the bundle size and a lot of things. Okay, let's dive into the deep. So I am using, so Next.js is very handy. So I am using previously in the React we were used to use image tag, but Next.js provide image with next image. Okay, and this is very handy. I am showing you. So I am providing source. So insert source. This is the best practice to import. Say self. Give it a name, any name from the public where it is from to folder up public images shakil.png. okay, so I am providing self over here, and it need alter tag. It needs alter tag for SEO, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so let's go to the import self where to compile images shakil. Going to the self closing tag. Where is the problem? Problem is here. It should be public like that. Okay, to folder up. So this time it will work. Yeah, I got the image, and you see it is 100% responsive. You see it's not overflowing, it's responsive. And by default they provided lot of things like you see lazy loading. Have you provided lazy loading? No, you just provide the source and alter tag, but they are adding lot of things to make your image optimized, to make you hassle free. They are providing width, height, decoding, okay, and lot of things, and quality also. You see quality 75. So lot of things, but React will provide you the bare minimum thing, not lot of things. Okay, so it has lot of props, like I can show you image. The props, but I'm not getting, but I can remember. Alter, say I am adding quality 100%. So I'm not saving, I'm showing you once again. You see the quality is right now 75. Can you see? But if I save it, the quality will be 100% and bundle size will be reduced. You see quality is 100%. Okay, so it has a lot of props, and not only that, you can provide another props, say placeholder, say blur. Okay, So it will give you a placeholder blur. So if I reload, you'll see a blur before reloading. If you want to see clearly, or you come to the network tab, disable caching and throttling slow. So if you now reload, you see the blur and then it reloads. So it has a lot of props. You can use it by going to the documentation. And if you don't like to provide the, if you don't like to import, so I am showing you another thing. I'm commenting it. So image. Image source. This time you have to provide the full path. I mean, images shakil.png and maybe alter is needed. Alter, okay, alter is must. Alter save. And it will give you error because you have to provide the width and height. Say width height. So let's see. Width. The width height. Yeah, I got the image. And see, this time it is also responsive. You see, this is totally responsive image. It shrinks according to the browser size. Now if you provide a div over here, it will adjust according to the div. Say class name, and I'm giving a width over here, width say 400 pixel, okay, and wrapping it by div. Okay, let's see. So now it's 400, but if it also responsive, or I am showing you it's also responsive, you see. So it's working properly. So Next.js provide you a lot of built-in things which React is lagging behind. So a lot of things, okay. And if I reduce the size, say 100, it will become very, okay, not on 100, say 300. It's adjusting according to the div size. Okay, it's not overflowing, you see, it's not overflowing. But finally I want to show you another thing, and it is from React. Using the Nextjs server, and now I'm going to React, say React. And I have set the image, and you see Now I am in the React. I want to show you that it will provide you nothing, just bare minimum image tag, and it is not responsive. It has no lazy load anything, but Next.js provide built-in lot of things. It makes your life easier. Okay, so that's why Next.js is very handy. So go to React app. Okay, this is my image, and see, image is not responsive. You see, it overflows. You see, it breaks, it overflows, which is not responsive, and it provides you nothing. Say, you see, just bare minimum image tag, nothing else, nothing else. But in Next.js, it provides you a lot of things. So now it's your decision which one you will choose for, especially for image. Okay. Okay. So thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. One stack TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you, for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.